Hello everybody, it's Rich 220 and we're going to show you what we did today. Okay, new glass pane vent is in, and there's the old, what's a little bit left of the glass pane that was in there. And then we have the new molding on. So we did get something started, and we got, is it one of the sill pans in? Yeah, there's one there. I got to clean it up better yet, but in any event, it's in. I still got to put the runner board molding on the other side, and I got to do some engine work. But because of the way it's looking out here, I don't think I'm going to be doing much engine work today. So, all right, well, just figured I'd let you people see what's going on. I am working on it. Just a little bit at a time, you know, not all at once. I'll probably do some more stuff today. Like I'm thinking about taking the bottom part of this door off and finding another piece of metal because it keeps rubbing against the divider piece, and I'm getting tired of that. So, and then I'll probably wind up fixing the fender in the front, and then maybe doing a little bit of, I'm not going to get too far ahead of myself because I don't know what I'm going to do. I may not do anything. Anyway, it's a day off from work, and school runs have ended, so only thing I'm waiting for is the summer runs to start. But until they do, I ain't doing nothing much. Just taking it easy. This pool, I don't know. I was in it earlier trying to skim everything out, but I think I may have kicked up all the pollen and algae that was sitting in the bottom while I was in it. But it's no worse than going to swim in a lake. You know, algae gets kicked up. I got the filter running, so hopefully that'll take care of the issue. Let's see what we got here. This, and we'll just keep that to the side. I got to put more chlorine tabs, not chlorine tabs, liquid chlorine and clarifier in it. While I'm at it, I see a couple leaves here, so I'm going to pull them out. Because if you don't, it just gets worse. Something to keep me occupied. Anyway, that's about it for now. Let me see. Yeah, she's coming together nicely, and it's matched up pretty well too. It's a little bit off, but not by much. I had to make my own clips out of coat hangers because I don't have any. So this is what I made. It's actually a thicker coat hanger, but it seems to work. The only thing is I gotta make it more square than round because it just slides right out. And then I gotta get the garbage and take these things out. But the reason why I always want the originals is because, see where it says safety glass? That's original. That's not a reproduction. And it's in there enough so that way the whole vent window closes and opens. So there's no problem there either. But anyway, like I said, a little bit at a time. I hope you like the short. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. I'll see you guys on the next one. Hopefully tomorrow it won't look so dreary. Bye.